Classical names for multivalent metals. So sometimes you're going to come across ionic compounds that contain multivalent metals, and the name is quite different. And that's because sometimes they're named using classical names. These basically, the root of these are their Latin names for the metallic element. The lower ionic charge has an us ending, and the higher ionic charge has an ic ending. And sometimes the IUPAC names, the names that we've been using, are called stock names. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples here, and I've shared a table with you. So the stock name, iron 2 chloride and iron 3 chloride. So one has a charge of 2 plus, one has a charge of 3 plus. The Latin word for iron is ferrum. So the classical name for iron 2 plus compounds is ferrous. So this compound would be called ferrous chloride. There's no need for Roman numerals because the name tells us the charge. Iron 3 chloride would be named ferric chloride because it is the 3 plus, it is the higher ionic charge. So copper, the Latin name for copper is cuprum. So we have copper 1 plus and copper 2 plus. So copper 1 chloride would be cuprous. Chloride, and the 2 plus, cop. The 2 plus is the higher one, so it's cupric chloride. So you can find many tables on the internet with the symbols for stock and classical names.